Shopify Payments and Stripe both dominate the online payment space, especially for Shopify merchants looking for smooth checkout experiences. Shopify Payments is Shopify's built-in gateway, created to make setup effortless and transactions feel native to the platform. Stripe, on the other hand, is the powerful engine behind Shopify Payments itself, but it also operates as a standalone processor used by millions of online businesses. Both handle payments efficiently and securely, but they differ in how they integrate, the control they offer, and how much flexibility merchants get. Shopify Payments feels seamless because it's built right into your Shopify dashboard. There's no need for third-party setup, separate logins, or external fees for using another gateway. Everything from sales to payouts runs in one place, making it perfect for merchants who want convenience and simplicity. Stripe, meanwhile, offers more independence. It gives access to advanced tools, developer APIs, and payment features that go beyond Shopify's ecosystem. It's better suited for merchants who want to manage payments across multiple platforms or build highly customized experiences outside of Shopify. When comparing them for checkout performance, both deliver reliability, fraud protection, and support for multiple payment methods. But Shopify Payments has an edge in ease of use. Transactions are automatically synced with orders, chargebacks are managed within Shopify, and merchants avoid the extra transaction fee Shopify charges when using external gateways. Stripe provides broader international capabilities and more granular control over the payment flow. But that control comes with more complexity and maintenance for merchants to manage. In the end, Shopify Payments is the clear choice for most Shopify store owners who want a clean, integrated experience that just works. It's built for simplicity, designed to reduce friction, and helps merchants stay focused on selling. Stripe, however, is the better option for brands that operate across multiple channels or need deeper customization and analytics. Shopify Payments wins for convenience, Stripe wins for flexibility. For most merchants, the best path is starting with Shopify Payments and moving to Stripe's standalone tools only when your business needs more control than Shopify's built-in checkout can provide.